Most people think Twitter limits you to 280 characters, but here's the surprising truth. There are clever ways to share longer messages without losing your audience. Today, I'll show you exactly how to post longer tweets and keep your followers engaged. First, understand the limit. Twitter's official character limit per tweet is 280 characters. Anything beyond that will get cut off. Most people get this wrong by trying to cram all content into one tweet, which often feels rushed and messy. The easiest method is a thread. A thread is a series of connected tweets. Start with your first 280-character tweet, then reply to it with the next part, and continue. Twitter automatically links them so readers can scroll seamlessly. You won't believe what happens next. Threads can increase engagement because users stay longer on your content. Another approach is using images or screenshots. You can write your longer text in a document or note app, take a screenshot, and attach it to your tweet. This bypasses the character limit entirely. Most people overlook this, but visuals also increase attention and clicks. You can also use third-party tools. Apps like TwitLonger or Typefully allow you to write extended content, then post a summary or link to your full text on Twitter. This method is useful for detailed guides or announcements. A bonus tip: concise doesn't mean boring. Break your text into short, readable chunks. Readers appreciate easy-to-scan content, especially on mobile. Now the downsides. Threads can feel long if not structured properly. Screenshots aren't searchable, and third-party tools rely on external links, which may reduce engagement. The surprising truth about longer tweets is that creativity matters more than length. Using threads, images, or external links lets you share in-depth ideas without annoying your followers. If this guide helped you expand your Twitter presence, subscribe for more social media strategies and tips to grow your audience.